Okay, in this next video, I will tell you how to print and how to declare the variables. What is that? Print is the common programmers or all programming language to communicate with computers using the syntax. Syntax is what everything that we type in here. So the first thing, if you want to type a program and run the program using Dart, you need to create a function. The function is how to run the program. How to type a function is like this. And this is the main function. If you want to print, just type like this, print, and like this. I don't know what it's called, but you can type your name here. And if we run, that your name here will showing. The print is the primitive way to communicate using the programming language to our computers. Okay, now we know how to print the text. The next thing, we need to declare the variables. What is variable? The variable is like the place for the value. What does that mean? So in case we need create a name, so I will use the name for multiple time. So we need to create a variables. How to do that? Just type a string. What is string? String is the variable, the content of the special character like name, alphabet, or numbers. How to create a variable string is like this, and we create a name. For the example is name and equal, and this is the value. The value we can type your name, for example. After that, we run the program, and that not showing anything in here. That because we only input this value into this variable. How to know that? Just type print like this, and type the name. If we run the program, that will be shown your name, and we can do this multiple times. Print name, and that will show your name again. The name is done. What is about the numbers? And I want to input this number into the variables. The first thing you need to do is create an integers. Integer is for the numbers variable. Just type like this, integer, and the name of the variables. We can call it as numbers, for example, and the equal 10. Delete this name, and we run the program, and it will not show anything because we just input this value into this variable like before. If you want to print, just type print and then numbers. If we run the program, that will be showing 10. 10 is the variables from the numbers. In case we don't know what is the variable run type, what is run type? Run type is like string or integers, and in case we have on 40, and what is this? Is this a string or integers? We don't know. So we just type a variables and following with the names. Numbers for the example, and we have a 14. After that, we type some print numbers dot runtime type, semicolon like this, and run the program. That will be shown integers. Why integers? This var was changed into the integers following this value. If we change the value into your name, that your name must be string, not integers. If we run the program, that will be shown as string. Thank you very much for this video. I hope you understand.